sound you hear, there's no pipes or synthetic sound, it's all just a mixture of the engine plus the exhaust.
Not like some cars that pipe like fake sound through speakers.
No, it's all engineered in. What it has got is like a lot of cars, it's got variable settings on the engine management, dickhead. Engine management and the suspension. So on the suspension, we're in the softest setting because, to be honest, modern roads it's too bouncy around. But you've got GT Sportsman Plus, which allows it basically stiffens the springs. Engine management. I've got to get GT Sportsman Plus. The big thing it does is shock the throttle response coupling.
And 0 to 60?
Around 3.3. The reason I say around 3, and that's exactly what Aston got as well, because that much power, trying to get it down, is very dependent upon how new your tyres are, road conditions, temperature. When the car was launched in October 2018, it's the mid-range where it really comes in. So what we're going to do up here is a little bit of acceleration stuff. So we'll take it up to about 30 in third gear, 30 or 40 in third gear, we'll let these guys get ahead. And then I'll give it about 50% on throttle.
Okay.
Once we get off this shitty bit of road onto the next bit here. So about 30%, 30 miles an hour.
And that was 30% throttle?
About 30-40% throttle, and I was changing up, it red lines at 7,000 RPM, I was changing up about 4,500 RPM. So we'll do it again, and we'll go a little bit harder. This time what we'll do is we'll do the same thing, hard acceleration, but we'll have the windows closed this time. So again, we'll build it up to around 30-35 mile an hour. Then we'll change up on the red line. It's alright, isn't it?
Sounds a lot better.
blitzing continents. We've got, if you do have small children, you can fit them in the back. He's got a reasonable sized boat. You can absolutely just cross continents in it with no issue at all. Also, just the regress through motorway at 70-80 miles an hour.
Yeah, you mean you could do a long journey in this quite easily.
And this is as noisy as it gets on a long trip. Or we can just, the nice thing is you can just drift with third gear. I haven't changed gear yet. Still going. I'd just make sure that guy goes over. Still going. Still going. Still accelerating third gear. We went from 30 to 80-ish.
In just third?
In third gear. It redlines around 90 in third. Seventh gear, just gently accelerating 51, 54, 56, just so that's 60 in 8th gear. You can hear the road noise obviously. But regardless, there you go, bit of road. By the time you've put on your very good Bang & Olufsen stereo system,
which this has. Oh wow.
So it's got a 13 speaker system and it's got a subwoofer between the two rear seats. And it's very, what my kids tell me is very good. I like this little bit. This is my little handling track.
Not too shabby at all. Well, that's beat the other two Astons I've been in.
The trouble is they're not making cars like this anymore because everyone wants the SUV instead. So that, people will buy more of cars like the DBX than they would buy these. So this kind of GT is a dying breed.